there were constant updations and amendments made to reach the final one that we have now. So this going off the basics is absolutely challenging.
Since we were all at our home, we couldn't able to communicate with our teammates much effectively. So we even find problems in fixing errors in our teammates' computer.
Now I have much better understanding on how to work as part of a team and how to collaborate with different people to come up with a solution of our own. Also, I gained a lot of insight on how to approach a problem and then gradually solve it.
For most of the competition, prerequisite knowledge is an added advantage for the top performing teams. But at e-Yantra, we learn new skills and we can be confident about that, and building something by team is entirely different from what is being done at online courses and workshops.
We learn about this e-Yantra competition from our seniors, so their dedication to doing many online as well as offline competition encouraged us and my team to participate in e-Yantra competition.
One of the major obstacles that we eventually overcame was finding time to work on our projects while simultaneously keeping up with our academics. For that, we gradually came up with a system that accounted for everyone's academic timetables, their study time, and all that. And this resulted in everyone playing an important part in completing each task.
Can assure that the theme assigned to us is achievable, and the level of guidance and mentorship that is given by our instructors is something that we don't get elsewhere.